Hello and subscribe to The Tracy Show. I am back with another video on Austin Drummond, another nut. Yes, he is on Ring camera and Austin is looking at the death penalty for quadruple homicide. Let's get into it. Austin Drummond, the man charged with the unaliving of 4 people in Lake County and abandoning a baby in Dyer County, had his first appearance in court this morning. Judge Andrew Cook started the arraignment shortly after 8:15 a.m. when Drummond was able to join via Zoom. Your Honor, at this time, the state is going to seek the death penalty, said District Attorney Danny Goodman, 29th Judicial District. Goodman explained why. And I quote, "There are aggravating factors in Tennessee. We have to look at those statutory factors, and I think he does meet the ones that we have to have. So we are going to seek the death penalty," said Goodman. Judge Cook decided Drummond will be held without bond and he cannot have any contact with the victims' families. Drummond is charged with 4 counts of first-degree murder, aggravated kidnapping, and weapon charges in the unalivings of James Matthew Wilson, Adriana Williams, Courtney Rose, and Braden Williams in Lake County on July 29th. Let's take a look at Austin Drummond in court today via Zoom.
Drummond, we are here this morning to arraign you on these charges. It's my responsibility to notify you of them and what you were charged with. First charge this morning that you have before the court is 1 count of first-degree murder. It's alleged that on the 29th of July, Mr. Braden Williams was located deceased from apparent gunshot wounds on Carrington Road in Tiptonville in Lake County, Tennessee. During the course of the investigation, it was determined that Mr. Drummond did with premeditation knowingly and intentionally kill Mr. Braden Keith Williams with the use of a firearm. It's alleged he did commit this offense also while being in possession of a firearm after being convicted of a felony, being aggravated robbery in Madison County, Tennessee. He has 1 count, therefore, first-degree murder and unlawful possession of a firearm. Second charge you have, sir, is first-degree murder and 1 other count of unlawful possession of a firearm. It's alleged during the course of investigation that a James Wilson was located deceased from apparent gunshot wounds in Lake County, Tennessee on Carrington Road. It was determined that you with premeditation knowingly and intentionally killed Mr. Wilson with the use of a firearm. It's also alleged, based on the same facts or circumstances, that you are a convicted felon out of Madison County. In addition to that, sir, you also have 1 count of first-degree murder and unlawful possession of a weapon. It's alleged that you, during the course of investigation, officers determined that Mr. Drummond, with premeditation, knowingly and intentionally killed Miss Adriana Williams in Lake County, Tennessee, on Carrington Road. She was discovered from an apparent gunshot wound, deceased. In addition to that, he also is a convicted felon out of Madison County, Tennessee. You also, sir, have one count of first-degree murder and additional unlawful possession of a weapon. It's alleged during the course of the investigation, officers determined that you did with premeditation knowingly, intentionally kill Miss Courtney Rose with the use of a firearm. She was discovered deceased from apparent gunshot wounds on Carrington Road in Lake County, Tennessee. It's alleged, in addition to that, sir, as previously stated, you are a convicted felon allegedly from the county of aggravated kidnapping and a possession of a firearm during the commission of a dangerous felony. It's alleged that all of the victims in the count, in the case that previously were mentioned, were located deceased from apparent gunshot wounds on the same date. A minor child with the date of birth 12/12/2024 with the initials WW was discovered left in the front of a residence in Dyer County, Tennessee. It states that Mr. Drummond committed the offense of aggravated kidnapping by false imprisonment, which was committed to facilitate the commission of a felony or flight. It's alleged he committed this offense also possessing a firearm during the commission of said dangerous felony when he possessed a firearm. He therefore has those counts. General Goodman, is the state moving forward with felony charges in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Prior to being taken in on these charges, sir, were you working anywhere?
I have a business, medical run business, kids parties, hosting the time shows, decorations, stuff like that.
So you were self-employed, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is what I'm going to ask you, sir. Obviously, that may vary depending on how much business you generate monthly. If you could estimate for me what your monthly income would be from that business?
It was in area, but it was around $46,000.
Arrested that he detailed himself on.
Drummond was taken into custody this past Tuesday in Jackson, Tennessee, located in Madison County, after an extensive manhunt. The Tennessee Bureau of Investigation has charged 2 men and 1 woman in Jackson for allegedly helping Drummond after the murders. Dara Sanders, 23, Tamika Brown, 29, and Giovanni Thomas, 29. All 3 are being charged with alleged accessory after the fact of first-degree murder. Brown is also charged with 1 count of tampering with evidence. Drummond was out on bond at the time of the murders. Quote, "They all deserve to pay for this, and why let them out?" said Kim Hamill, Matthew Wilson's mother. "He's already out, and so what's the point of letting him back out? He's already proven what he does, stuff like this. So don't give him the opportunity to take someone else's family, the whole family." That's what I think people don't understand. He took them all. It's not just the loss of our son. Let's listen to the clip.
So what's the point of letting him back out? He's already proven that he does stuff like this. So don't give him an opportunity to take somebody else's family.
Their whole family.
Because that's what I think people don't understand. He took them all. It's not just the loss of our son.
I know.
It's the loss of our daughter-in-law, of Braden, of everybody, of Courtney. It's a whole family gone. You know?
Yeah,
It's unbelievable. So we're gonna be here every chance we get. We're gonna be right here for our son because he cannot be here. They love their daughter,
Absolutely.
and we're gonna be here.
Yes. We'll be here.
How would you like the community to remember your loved ones?
Matthew was a good father.
He was a good boy,
He was a good brother. He was a damn good son.
and they loved their baby.
Absolutely.
They loved their baby. The whole family loved each other. That's the thing that people were forgetting.
Yeah.
We all loved each other, and nobody. It's just a really bad situation. We want everybody to remember Matthew. Everybody knows Matthew. Matthew grew up right there on that hill, running those streets in Dyer County.
Yeah.
Never been in no trouble, no nothing. And they need to keep that in mind and stop focusing so much on the morbid aspect of
Yeah.
it, because Matthew has siblings that are young that can Google all this, and
Yeah. Internet's forever.
exactly, and people need to understand that there's children, there's minors involved in this, and that as a family we're just broken, right?
Yes.
I just don't know. I don't know how to explain it.
No.
So
What's caring for the little girl right now?
She's in protective custody.
Drummond is set to be in court again on August 14th, along with the 3 other suspects now facing charges for helping him. Following Drummond's appearance in court, a Jackson resident, Brandon Powell, had a hearing. According to Judge Cook, Drummond had the intent to deliver Mary Jane to an inmate at the correctional facility in Tiptonville, and Powell was identified as the driver. Judge Cook said Drummond was going to deliver over a pound of Mary Jane, 5 cell phones, among other contraband. Powell is charged with 1 count of criminal conspiracy, and it's alleged that Powell conspired with Drummond to deliver the contraband. Powell is also set to be back in court Monday morning to see if he has obtained an attorney. Following that, he will be back in court on August 14th along with everyone else. This obviously is an ongoing investigation. I will keep you all updated as I am updated. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Comment on your thoughts and opinions of this case. If you heard of the case, what are your feelings? Let me know in the comments. And again, don't forget, hit that notification bell for when I upload, and subscribe. And hit that like. Hit the like. Hit the like. It's free. Subscribe. It's free. I'm going to give you till 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Thank you all. And until the next video, peace.